Hello, in this video I will show you how you can migrate your WordPress website from one host to another host. So let's go to the plugin and add new plugin. Plugin is Wpvivid. Search Wpvivid in search bar. Oh sorry. So here is Wpvivid plugin by Wpvivid team. So install now. Activate it. After activation you will see backup manually and backup. Okay, click on this backup and the plugin is preparing the backup, and after the preparing your backup will show here. So let's wait. So backup is completed, so you can download it clicking on this download button, and here is our backup file. So click on this backup and our backup is downloading. So let's wait for a few seconds or minutes. It's depend on your internet speed. So in meantime you can set up your another WordPress or host. So it is important to install your WordPress on the new host where you want to import this backup. So after the setting up WordPress, just go to the plugin and install the same plugin. Install the same plugin Wpvivid. Oh, sorry. So install now and activate it. So okay, after completing this we will continue on the uploading of this backup file. Just a few seconds. So okay, our file is downloaded. Go to the upload folder and drop your file here or select that file. I will drop the file here. So our file is here, and select on download, upload, sorry, it is upload. So our uploading is started. I will continue this when the upload is completed. So it is completed now. Click on OK, and you can see it is okay. Our backup is upload is done. So here the backup type upload, and you can restore that backup after clicking on this restore button, and click on this restore button as well. And he's saying are you sure to continue, and click on OK. So backup restore process is started. Let's wait, and we will continue after this complete. Okay, our backup is restored and restored successfully. Click on OK, and after that your WordPress will be log out automatically, and continue your WordPress with your old credential. Okay, I'm just entering my credential, which was for an old website, and click on login. So our WordPress is old WordPress website is now restored. So okay, thank you for watching.